How to allow sharing posts and reels when you mention them in your story. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. Open up Instagram. And then once you open up Instagram, you need to head over to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. And then after tapping on your profile, head over to the three horizontal lines at the top left, right, and open up settings and activity. Now from the given options, scroll down and go over to the option called how others can interact with you, where you will be finding an option called sharing. Go ahead and tap on it. And after that, tapping on it, here you'll be finding what people can share on Instagram. So here we have the story that they are mentioned in. So all you gotta do is simply turn this option on. And then once you do, if you share other people's posts and reels on your story, they will be having a notification that they are mentioned in your story. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.